Hey guys, welcome back. Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home, where I love to share with you all how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a teeny tiny budget. And in today's video, I'm so excited to share with you 5 DIY Dollar Tree glam decor crafts. These are going to be budget friendly decor crafts. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, click the bell. I'm hosting a ton of giveaways right now, as well as on this video, I'm going to be giving away a $100 shopping spree to totallydazzled.com. The giveaway is open for a week. They heard that I'm trying to spoil you guys through the next couple of months, and they wanted to partner with me and host a giveaway on my channel. So thank you to them. That is so amazing. And it's perfect for this glam decor crafts that we're going to do on a budget. So definitely stay tuned. I have a secret question for you guys, but without further ado, go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting.
For the first dollar store DIY, I'm going to take this Dollar Tree gift box. It was from Christmas and I chalk painted it white, as well as these foam roses. I found them on Amazon. They were only $12 for 30 of them. And I also have this cute little Dollar General box. I'm actually going to do 2 of these beautiful boxes of roses. They're super high end and super expensive if you buy them online, but we are going to dupe them for next to nothing. Now, I have this piece of styrofoam left over from a package that got shipped to my house, and I'm going to go ahead and measure it with the bottom of the box and just trim it out. I want it to be the size to fit down inside of this box, so I'll have something to fit my roses into. And I was really excited to repurpose and reuse this piece of styrofoam. Hang on to some of your styrofoam because this is a great way to do florals, and they held in there really well. Now these florals come on a stem, which is really great. Again, I'm going to link the exact ones that I bought down below. I'm just so excited to find such a great deal. And I'm going to go ahead and pop the roses in, and I want to make them a little bit shorter around the edges, and then as I get to the center, make them a little bit taller. And I will tell you that I did not trim the ends of these off. I just bent them down, but I do suggest going ahead and taking some wire snippers or some old scissors and trimming the ends off. That will just ensure that your roses stay in their styrofoam a little bit nicer.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike as we hold.
Now, as you can see, I'm just going ahead and trimming off the ends with my wire cutters. It really did help them stay in there a little bit nicer, and it just continuing to fill it out. So once you get towards the end, you can just kind of look for some of your empty spaces. Now, this box was rather large, and so it did take up the majority of this arrangement. But good news, I did have enough to do another smaller arrangement, which I was super excited about because, again, I love these beautiful, they're supposed to look like really real roses, and they're super expensive. You guys seen those online. So now I'm just taking some of this pretty pink sheer Dollar Tree ribbon. I had picked up some extra ribbon during the Easter season, and I'm just going to tie it in the front. I was really wanting to use satin ribbon, but lo and behold, I could not find any satin ribbon in my ribbon stash, and I'm really trying to craft my stash. So I just tied a quick little shoelace bow like you would tie on your shoes, and I'm going to dovetail those ends by cutting a triangle upward, and that's going to give it that really pretty boutique finish that you're looking for with this project. And oh my goodness, absolutely fabulous and gorgeous. I am over the moon in love with these beautiful romantic roses. Now, this is the smaller Dollar Tree container. This was a Dollar Tree Christmas gift box, believe it or not, and I chalk painted it white. It did ruffle up just a little bit, so be careful when you're chalk painting some of your inexpensive gift boxes. They might ruffle up just a bit. The chalk paint may have made it do that, but acrylic paint might work as well, or you could cover it with some pretty paper. Really, the sky is the limit. Just have fun with it. So again, I added in all of my beautiful roses and I finished it off with a pretty bow in the front. I would really love to have one of those DECOR ribbons. I think that would be so pretty. I gave this to my daughter for her bedroom and it worked out just perfectly, and I think I'm going to keep the other one on my beauty space. So here it is, mixed in with some beautiful glam decor that I cannot wait to share with you guys. But these would be so fabulous for a centerpiece for a bride or a baby shower or any girly kind of glam event, or just for your home in your bedroom space or your pretty bathroom. I just think they're so pretty. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to take some of these printables, and I will leave a link for some printables for you guys. I'm going to take some Dollar Tree 8x10 gold frames, and I'm just measuring them out. They printed out on 8.5 by 11 paper, and so I do have to go ahead and trim them down. Now these are just beautiful glam pictures that I was able to find online, super easy. And if you don't have a printer, you can always save these images on your computer and send them to a Walgreens or a CVS or a Walmart, and they will print the digital image out for you. Again, this is an 8x10 frame and the image was about 8.5 by 11. So I'm just taking my little trimmer here. Mr. Romantic surprised me with this. It's like a little Cricut trimmer. It's really great. It just has a super sharp blade and you can trim things really quickly. I'm trimming them down to fit inside of the frame, and what I want to do is make a really beautiful wall collage. Quick side note here too, you don't have to have a fancy trimmer. You could definitely use your scissors, but here they are. Oh my goodness. So my son's girlfriend is going to be heading off to college. I'm going to make her a set of these, and then my daughter and I are going to put these in our bedroom. You could always do two, just do one and set that in with a pretty glam setting, kind of like this idea that I'm giving you guys in my living room. They're just so happy and pretty with the beautiful girly glam high heels and all that good stuff. Okay, so for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm taking a Dollar Tree little pan here, and then I'm using a candlestick. I used a Dollar Tree pan, 2 candlesticks, and 2 of the little candlestick glass plates. I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to glue the candlestick upside down on top of the plate, or the pie pan, and then I'm going to rim the edge with my glue gun again and add the little candle plate. And so you guys can always add E6000 glue and hot glue if you want this to stay permanently. I lost my E6000 glue today. I ended up finding it after my crafting session was over, but comment and let me know if you guys lose things all the time when you're crafting. I don't know what the deal is, but anyway, maybe an organization video is in need. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hot glue gun again, and I'm going to rim the top. Again, this candle is flipped upside down, and then I'm going to put my little plate on top of that. I'm making a really beautiful 3-tiered glam jewelry storage for my daughter's bedroom. So I'm taking this really pretty Rust-Oleum. It's Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint. It looks so realistic and is so beautiful for any glam crafting or any beautiful projects that you want to do. I highly recommend it. And once I had that done, I went ahead and went in with my hot glue gun again and some of these Dollar Tree pearls, and I'm just adding the pearls with a dab of hot glue. Again, use that E6000 glue if you want it to be a permanent hold. Once I had trimmed this out with my pearls, I decided to go in with some of that Dollar Tree. It's not ribbon, but it's a pearl ribbon. So Dollar Tree at some point in time was selling ribbon on a roll. That's what I'm trying to say. And I'm just looping that around the base of the candlestick again to give it a little bit more of that pretty glam appearance. And then to finish the seam off, I just added in some more pretty pearls. And you guys could use any beautiful bling that you have in your stash. Dollar Tree also sells bling, so that would work perfectly too. So I'm sharing with you all some ideas on how to style this with a beautiful bracelet gold cuff, a pretty ring, another bracelet, and then a set of sunglasses. And I got these sunglasses at Dollar Tree. It's actually where I get all of my sunglasses. I'm pretty hard on my sunglasses, and if I lose them, I won't be out anything except for $1. And they're actually my favorite sunglasses. So comment and let me know, where do you guys get your sunglasses? I would love to know. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to take this Dollar Tree. It's just a metallic little plate. It's like an elongated tray, and I'm going to go ahead and spray the edges of the bottom, and then I want to spray the top. I'm going to use that metallic gold. This is the Rust-Oleum metallic gold, and it is awesome. It looks so realistic. And then once I had that done, I decided to make it a mirrored tray. So I'm just taking these Dollar Tree mirrors out of their pretty frames. I'm going to use them for another project, so don't worry guys. And I'm just going to pop them into the base of this tray. Now they didn't fit exact, but they were pretty close. There was just a little tiny spot that had to overlap. And then I decided to take some of this bling wrap. I get all of my bling wrap and jewels at totallydazzled.com. In fact, I'm super excited because they're hosting a $100 shopping spree giveaway on this video. So make sure that you guys leave a comment and subscribe because it will enter you in this giveaway. Okay, so just continuing on here, I'm adding bling to the sides of this tray. This will help it not have a sharp edge, and also will just kind of finish it off with a little bit more detail. So I'm adding some hot glue and then my pretty bling kind of jewelry ribbon here. Now that I have all of my bling trim added, I'm going to add this beautiful brooch to the quarter. And again, these brooches are amazing. They're about $1.50 to $2.50 each on totallydazzled.com. It's where I get all of my bling jewelry. They are so amazing. They're so super sweet, and they have the most beautiful bling for next to nothing. I'm telling you guys, I used to craft with bling all the time when I had my Etsy shop, and I always had to pay between $4 and $7 for bling, and look how beautiful this is. So pretty. If you guys don't have any of their bling, you could always just use some junk jewelry that you have in your stash. So have fun with it, get creative, and just go for it. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, I just cut out these little 5x7 really pretty glam pictures. Again, I printed them out on regular paper. I didn't have any cardstock for these, so I'm just going to trim them up and pop them into these little frames that we took the mirrors out of. So I will tell you guys, I did make a little bit of a mistake on this project, and because I didn't have glass, I thought I could just hot glue the paper kind of in little spots around it, and I didn't cut the paper small enough. So cut the paper a little bit smaller if you're going to use hot glue, but I did another one later and I Mod Podged it to this frame, and that worked a lot better. So hopefully you guys can learn from my mistake, but it did turn out pretty regardless. Just letting you guys know a little tip there to go ahead and either cut it a little bit smaller or just use Mod Podge, or even some tape would work as well. And I don't know if you guys noticed, my scissors just went flying. Hopefully there wasn't anybody on the other side of that, which there wasn't. So here is how it all turned out with a beautiful glam tray. And I'm telling you guys, that Dollar Tree tray is so pretty. Look at how beautiful it looks. It looks really, really high end with a pretty brooch or jewel piece added. Oh my goodness, I was super excited for that. And then this little Dollar Tree frame with the little glam pink high heels, I'm telling you, this could be at a high-end boutique, very easy, and we are doing it on a huge budget here, which is next to nothing. Okay, so for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to take this little Dollar Tree notebook journal and this little Christian Dior perfume bottle cutout. Again, this was actually an accident on another project that I did, but I went ahead and saved the perfume bottle, and I'm just using some Mod Podge, and I'm going to go ahead and Mod Podge it to the front of this little journal. So Dollar Tree is carrying these really cute leopard journals. I am using Mod Podge that has a gloss finish on it, and it's also washable. So just a little note on that. I'm really liking the washable Mod Podge because it's really easy to wipe things clean, but any regular Mod Podge will work, and Dollar Tree does sell Mod Podge, by the way. So here it is mixed in with this beautiful glam decor, and you guys, I am just so crushing on this. Okay, for the next DIY, this is kind of a bonus DIY, but I bought some fabric transfer paper from Walmart, and it has about, I believe, 15 to 20 sheets, and all you do is print an image out onto the fabric transfer paper, and you need to make sure that you reverse the image, so it needs to be mirrored, because you're going to place the image down on top of a shirt and iron it onto the shirt. So this was a little tank top that I picked up from a Walmart. Their tank tops are about $2 to $4. They're super inexpensive, you guys. So this is a really great deal and a fun way to glam up a shirt for honestly just next to nothing. Okay, so once I had it all ready, I just flipped it over, and then you use a hot iron. Be careful with this part, but you want to press the iron down pretty hard, and you set it on a cotton setting. And the fabric transfers were for t-shirts only, the ones that I found at Walmart. And then once you have that done, here it is, a cute little tank top for my daughter, and she was loving it. She is such a gorgeous glam girl. I think this would also make a really wonderful gift for a certain someone in your life, daughters, granddaughters, or yourself. I even made a fun one for myself. So have fun with it. Get a little girly, get a little glam, make a cute little t-shirt or pretty printout for your home.
Thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor adventure. I hope you all are totally inspired to make something cute and girly, or just craft something absolutely beautiful on a budget. Now, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and comment down below. Okay, so here's the secret question to enter the totallydazzled.com giveaway. Comment and let me know, what is your favorite romantic date night at home? I want to plan something for Mr. Romantic, so drop a comment and just let me know what you guys love to do at home that's just really sweet and wonderful, and I can surprise him. I'll maybe get some ideas from you guys on what to cook, or really what I'll probably order for takeout. A great little romantic movie and all that fun stuff. So also on my YouTube channel, I'm hosting a 200K giveaway. When we hit 200K on this YouTube channel, I'm going to be giving away a Cricut and also a $200 shopping spree. I just have to spoil you guys. I love you guys so much, so don't forget to subscribe. Also, the winner of my flickering candle giveaway from the Amazon shopping video, you guys check out that video if you need some fun and fabulous Amazon finds, everything on a budget. I'm gonna leave that down below, but Susan Earl, congratulations, Susan. You are the winner of my flickering candle giveaway. So you guys keep those comments rolling and join all my social medias, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, because I'm giving away giveaways all across those social medias. They're just gonna be pop-up giveaways, so definitely stay tuned. I just think that it's fun to give back. It's fun to have something to look forward to, getting something in the mail. So I love spoiling you guys. Anyway, I hope you guys are getting totally creative. Also tag tag me on Instagram and post pictures of your home decor and DIY projects on my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook group page if you make any of these projects I shared with you guys in this video, or any of the videos really. I have a ton of playlists for you guys to check out. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe, and I just want to hug all of your hearts so tight and let you know I love you to the moon and back. Now, I have so many fun DIY projects planned for you guys, so definitely stay tuned. I'm wishing you a gorgeous, blessed day. I can't wait for the next video. The Totally Dazzled giveaway is going to be open for a week's time, so I'm going to give you guys an entire week to think of an amazing date night. You got to drop it in the comments down below. Make sure you're subscribed as well. I love you so much. Wishing you a gorgeous, blessed day. Don't forget to be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Love you.